Right, so today we're going to be tying a triangle lanyard knot. It's really easy, so let's get on. So first of all, you find the halfway point of your cord or whatever you're doing, and then we're going to do an overhand knot. So basically, left hand cord goes over the right like that, flip it underneath, pull it out the outside. You've made yourself an overhand knot like that. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do, I'm going to put my thumb and forefinger on that knot like that, and then we're going to do a snake knot. So I've got the bottom cord that wraps around the top cord like that. You reach underneath, grab that top cord and poke the end through that hole like that. Now you pull the snake knot up but not tight, because what you want to do is get these two sides over this bit here. So we're going to squidge those two sides over that knot there, and then we basically slowly and carefully pull it together. And there you have your triangle lanyard knot. Really easy to do. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next video I'm going to show you how to do it on a bracelet.